A very good morning to all of you. It's really a great occasion to celebrate today's program, and I am really privileged to be part of this virtually. The topic is intellectual property right, that awareness workshop. Let me congratulate the convener, Professor Dinesh Yadavji, and my colleague Raman Guptaji, and I am extending my heartfelt thanks to Honorable and very worthy Vice Chancellor Poonam Tandonji for providing such leadership to the people, and Professor R.C. Chaudhary, a very renowned plant breeder and recently has been honored by the Government of India, a very accoladed honor, that is Padam Shri. So at the outset, I am very happy to be part of this program. However, my apologies to you. I was supposed to be there physically, but due to my health and some commitment, I am not there physically, but I will share my thought through this video. The topic chosen is very pertinent in today's context. We are in the knowledge economy era, and we have to train our youth how to capture this particular capital through their invention, innovation, ideas, and the intellectual property right is intangible in nature. So whatever you are creating the knowledge or the processes, you have to register it with the system. So we need some system for this, and we have to protect it. So protection of this property give a reward for inventor, rights to an inventor, encourage disclosure, and encourage investment. So that's why such type of ecosystems are developed at a national level. So if you see total our intellectual property right system in India, you will find the Seed Act 1966, Indian Patent Act 1970, PPB and FR Act 2001, Geographical Indication, then Biological Diversity Act. So in general you will find 5 acts are there which are intended to protect the intellectual property of the people or the company, to encourage more and more investment and make it available to the people. And as you know, most of the patents are time bound, some they are for some time, and again they become a public property after expiring of those dates. So we are having this particularly Plant Variety Protection Act. If you see, it is I'll give you the example how these breeders are encouraged to go for breeding. We say this farmer right. So how the farmers are rewarded? One example, that is Arka Siddhu variety, that is of jackfruit, orange color peel is there, no stickiness is there. It was developed by a farmer. Indian Institute of Horticulture Research came forward and they have registered this variety. Now there is a big demand, and the dividend the farmer has received till today, it's about 1 crore rupees. So same way, just for my dear students, if you see you are having 2 type of phones. For example, you are having the Apple and you are having the Samsung. If you see the difference of the rate, it is not of material, because if you calculate the material cost, you will find there is a less difference in the costing. The moment if you see the IP involved in those phone, you will find there are more than 100 patented items are fitted in the Apple. So that's why it is costing more than the other counterpart. Since we are in knowledge economy era where our total cost accrued to any product is going toward 60 to 70% for intangible thing. If the country is willing to achieve self-sufficiency and the Amrit Kal declared in up to 2047, we have to go for the research and development and create more and more knowledge so that we can earn lot of money to the nation and we can make our nation prosperous. So in the university system, in the government institutions or in the private institutions, that mindset is not there. I will tell you with my own example. When I was a national coordinator, lot of invention and innovation came out. When I asked the PI to go for patent, he said that how to go for patent, sir. Then I said the easy thing is that you go for copyright. Then again he said that how to go for copyright. Then we got expert and we got 14 copyright there and 4 or 5 patents are in the pipeline. So we taught there the PG student, SRF, RA, how to file patent. That is also an art. You are carrying out research, generating knowledge, but you are not able to quantify it, not able to see that how it is going to give a dividend in coming days. Most of the time, we go for the academic knowledge creation. So knowledge if you are creating, it should be properly curated and it should be marketable too. Because in patent, it's not a free proposition. For patent, you are going to give a hefty amount for patent. Then carrying out the patent, you have to pay the patent fees. So ultimately, your knowledge, what you are going to patent, it should have some economic value. So in intellectual property right, that is a training part is very important to the students. And I am very thankful to the Deen Dayal University and the leader of that university. They got this, program from the Council of Science and Technology Uttar Pradesh, and they are disseminating it and they are sharing knowledge, and they have called many people. I have seen the expert from the CSIR, expert from the other organizations, and they will give the lecture on same topic, intellectual property right. So I will not speak too much. I only wish a great success to this dialogue, and I hope that one day deliberations on intellectual property right will be highly fruitful to the stakeholders, particularly the faculty, students, and those who are in the management. Once again, thank you very much